Welcome to the channel. It is wintertime in upstate New York, and that's where I live, as you all know. All of you that watch this channel know, anyway. So, I want to discuss in today's video something. Living out in the country. I guess it could happen in the urban areas too. It's cold, so you might get some little critters, in your house, in your garage, your kitchen area, your mudroom or whatever. Yes, I'm talking about that Mickey Mouse or that little Jerry, Yeah, okay, little mouse. Occasionally here, we get a few in the wintertime. Well, it's usually in the fall they get in, maybe a couple here and there. That's all part of living out in the country, all right? Now, if you use one of these old-time mouse traps, all right, mice move around and, in the after hours, okay, when it's dark. So, if you use these, you wake up in the middle of the night, hearing that, let's see here, hearing this, all right? I've heard it a few times over the years. Wakes you right up. And if you do catch one, you may also hear this. Yeah, it's still alive. Running around your whatever, your floor in your garage, or you're running around your kitchen, or your kitchen cabinet, depending on wherever you set your traps. All right. Another thing is, yeah, these things don't kill a lot of times. They gotta, hit them just right. So, I want to show you something that I purchased, which I think is a lot better. It's sure quieter. You're not going to hear them. And it's going to kill them instantly, and you don't have to worry about touching them and getting them out of the trap or just throwing this away. All right? Let me show you. An OWLTRA, electronic zapper mousetrap, okay? Got a little door here for them to go in, okay? A little vent so they can smell whatever you use for bait, okay? This thing takes 4 AA batteries. Put them in right in there, okay? And supposedly they last a long time. I've been using this since fall time. And I've actually caught 2 mice in here, which is great. And I haven't heard any more since then. So, knock on wood. Let's see. That's all I'm going to get this year. But anyway, there's a little on-off button right here. There's a light right there. If you turn it on, see, it turns green. That means the power's on, okay? I'm going to shut it off now. If this stays on, if this green light flashes, it's a slow flash. It's not a real fast one. I don't know. I can't remember how many seconds. 10 seconds, maybe. A flash, flash, flash. That means you got something in there. You caught a mouse. Now this bottom light, it's a red light. If that comes on, your batteries are low. But supposedly this thing will last, the batteries will last for a long time. Okay, so to open this up, you just pull right here, pops right apart, okay? And there's your connections right there and right there. So if you look down in there, there's 2 different pads. So the mouse will come in the door, come around, and feet, and then that'll fry them. All right, it's quiet, it's humane, quick, all right? Kills them instantly. So I think it's a better choice. So down in here, there's a little bait thing right there. I don't know if you can see. Let me see. There you go. Bait thing right there. You just put peanut butter or whatever you like. Some people like to put sunflower seeds in there, and a couple of them, but make sure it's all in there and doesn't touch the metal part, all right? And so they can smell it with the, you know, you got a grate right there so they can smell it and attract them. Like I said, great product. I purchased a 2-pack. I keep one in my kitchen and one in my mudroom. And yeah, I've caught two little mice this season, which is great. And hey, if you're interested in this product, there'll be a link in the description below. And yes, it's an affiliate link, so I will receive, if you choose to purchase this anyway, I will receive a small commission with no extra charge to you. Same price, okay? Great product. I suggest you check it out if you have, you know, if you get mice in your house or, you know, garage. This is indoor only, so, you know, you can have it in your basement, attic, whatever, okay? You know what to do. Hit all those buttons. And if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. I greatly appreciate it. If you're interested in more of my videos, there'll be another one up here. And I do all sorts of things on this channel. So if it may interest you, please check me out. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.